Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how does Instagram recommendation system work. Learn how to benefit from it. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you want your content to be discovered by more people outside your network? You can take advantage of Instagram recommendations. Instagram's recommendation for users is shown as photos or videos from Instagram accounts that you don't follow or haven't seen yet. You might discover them as you browse your news feed, the Explore tab, and as you're watching Reels. Recommendations can also be seen as suggested posts, and they are based on factors such as the user's activity, which is the accounts they follow, and the posts they liked, saved, or commented on. A user's connections, which is the history of connecting with similar accounts on Instagram. Information about the post, which is how others on Instagram are interacting with the post, when or where it was posted. Lastly, information about the account, which is the number of times people have interacted with that account in the past few weeks. Get discovered. Instagram's recommendation will help content creators who have amazing, relevant content to show their brand's content to Instagram users who are searching for keywords, browsing content that is similar to the recommended content on their feed, Explore tab, and Reels as well. Next, get inspired from recommendations. As a brand, you can discover content that other brands in your niche are sharing. Are you noticing trends that other content creators are using? Then you can try that to adapt to the trend, so that your content can also be recommended to other users in your niche. The recommendations for posts depend on the user's engagement with the platform. For example, if you interact with businesses that sell gym equipment, Instagram will recommend content from other users or business accounts that also promote similar content, such as gym equipment. To be eligible for recommendations, you need to follow Instagram's recommendation guidelines. It is important that Instagram users are shown or recommended content that doesn't show people fighting, promotes regulated products, or content that are sexually explicit. These recommendations are guidelines made to give higher standards when recommending content to non-followers. Also, Instagram accounts should be public. Private accounts will not be recommended to non-followers, since they won't be able to see your content unless you follow them. While Instagram is recommending content similar to what a user likes, there might be content that a user doesn't want to see. And that is why Instagram allows you to have the option to select posts that you don't want to see. Instagram's AI highlights recommended posts based on the user's interests. It chooses the best posts based on factors such as likes, engagement, relevance on searches, content quality, and freshness. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using Post Influence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. Post Influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves, hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.